Me dear, me say mata, send a me na go up on tea. Me see me not up, send a ma kofa fantoy. Oh, who si, oh si insurance so. What I need me one but you trick extra too.
I'm enjoying Casa later. Right? Okay. Casa later. Big deal. So when you say movement, is
me like chatting. I'm them pentem. The Gynel phone.
Oh, damn! You know also person me here Gynel man. When you say Gynel, you want them? I catch you said man come on, my work when you be John one crowd. Obe sa so me so be what you saying?
Oh me yan. That's me I was saying.
The last time I'm saying say me price so for but I'm 3,000. I can't balance of 1,000. Yeah.
Remember 2,000 I said.
Oh nice. Oh you not here say.
So yeah, my what there so I say. But number na me internet. Now be who I say kwa na say. Okay. Aba.
Oh, mommy, why in 2,000?
Oh yeah.
Oh nice. No there. Adwuma na so sare foforo bra. Na me say adwuma say bi die. Ah, metene. So oni twa. Nje metima.
There is can be wo.
Scan dey jayo. Temu pa.
Eh, no wadi bronya.
Ewurade.
Dia fe.
Ah, man fa nche no kra. Na be lose. Ani bra bre wo kromu anu.
Eh, no ya de.
Sure. Scan dey temu pa ma shada me package scan ye.
Eh, no ya de.
Every my no feel kra koka.
I'm not concerned of you. Yes, Obi ankasa. Why? Only me mu ehia de na o.
Me kwa me nimu tell business na ye. So what I say? Into there, e be kasa.
Me dear, me say mata, send a me na go up on tea.
Na yo who said that so won kasa de.
Send a ma kofa
fa me ka cho na no na guso a ha me. Se me free mu nche me ko ya akoyi ba be chimi a. Me senya me nyame ana me sum ne pa.
Na ere nyadoa oye onyadoa na eja ye so mbonsam tie de ntam do be gina ha mama
ma ya di o ma me se ahya me ho so pa mama akoi kama wu
agwai de
me so de me nya bi da so se ma ware
hwe
don ware ya fa me won ka obi a
unya kasa no unya kasa no
tie
ah de ntam do be gina ha na tie and you can say as your casa family. Menya bogabi. Nya bogabi. Jina ho netie.
Nya bogabi.
Wo nya boga na me. Ye di netie. Ah. Ye di netie me. Oh. Menya bogabi na. Kakra nyesa kakra. Ska di obi ankasa. Obi. Mo za man pranto mi nwa mo na so. Me prato na so.
Pra.
Me prato na so me de to na so me de ma. Hwe. Wona wo ko. Wona wo se wo ko hweti. O wuska. Oh. We didn't can send 5,000 kra mama. 5,000. Can it 50 million?
They asem na okiki.
Unti asem na make anu asem akade obeka. Mama. Oh mama 5,000 dada. Maji. I was so close. O call it balance the be ma. I want 3,000. No matter 3,000. 3,000 I want kasa dia about 5,000 no. And I now them no. What have bill ni ade? And the better say into 3,000 what pocket money. On.
Na wasa ma wo ken di e mi nya kakra.
E ma ni nya unya na ka obi so obi ko obi be repu nipa ko repu free ontua 1,000. Obi no oda no ama 8,000 na jo ba ko wo pe. Ma 8,000 5,000 be dim 3,000 no wo ho. E be ye odi atiko.
Stand Ukraine na me nya bida.
Wo be suro gum so.
Me nya bida. Wo be suro. Nsumi. Enku ade stand
ye. Mwani. Wo be su wa. Wa onye ma no bo na say what ogu. Enyi hu. Eye den ya be ma na no beta. Den ko repu iti akoya ko repu ko no wo da free ontua 1,000. Na me na ama na anye so what I say. Ntisi na ye kana. Meje 5,000 na don so wa send ma dada. 3,000 de okoya wa wo
me sum na me ntimi nya sa.
Ya sum nwe. Ana sum mpreku. Asam na make no jai su tiasa we su house e kasen. Enyoshi. Why? I know with people when him name your she. Ah, yeah, Sembe. Huh? To go driving it sits you, my baby, and your come. Say the baby, I'll quack. And you may, ah, not a man since you open something called baby, and then may I mean, you may ask for neighbor, mammy. It's before Momo Kwana, but the Momo Quabati baby, I better. And yes, she. And one idea for you, and one idea behind there by with you. I know she built it. Huh? What's in some of the book?
Miss Diana to say, you should worry a lot.
Now?
No. I've not even done this before. This is my first time. And this is happening because when you sacked me from the house, I had nowhere to go. I was searching around looking for a place to stay. And there was this lady that helped me out. So when she also welcomed me to her house, later on I found out that this was the job she was doing with the other ladies in the house. So I wasn't okay with it, and then I just ran away from her house. And
but I gave you money.
A guy saw me and he wanted to rape me. So I had to beg him and give him all the money I had on me. So I gave him everything I had so that he doesn't touch me. So I just didn't have anywhere to go again. So I just had to go back to the same lady. And when I went, she gave me options. Like, it's either I'm going to do the same job she's doing or I leave. So I had nothing to do but to accept it.
That's a big time mistake, you know. I gave you enough money that you could use to rent a room. Why were you keeping the money? At least if you had searched for a room earlier and rented the place, somebody wouldn't get the opportunity to rape you. Let alone for you to lose all the monies I give you. Anyway, it's unfortunate and sorry for what happened to you. In actual sense, you didn't do anything wrong when you were living with me. You did not do anything wrong.
But you just sucked me away.
Yeah, it wasn't intentional, and I told you earlier when I was about to tell you to leave, I told you I didn't like it that way, but I had to do what I did simply because right from the time I saw you naked in your room, to be honest with you, I fell for you. And anytime that I see you in the house, I feel like touching you. And from the angle you are coming from, I felt it's not right for me to do that. So the only thing that could save my face from shame is to let you leave the house. So it's the reason for me telling you to leave, but not necessarily that you did something wrong, no. And I've loved you all this while, honestly I have. Coupled with the fact that my wife is also maltreating me. You see, and I'm a man. I need it. I need a woman madly. Other than that, I wouldn't come for a hookup. You know the way I am. But how long can I live like this without a woman? You know, it's not easy. I've tried to hold myself together, but I can't do that anymore. I can't do it anymore. You understand? So now that you're here, let me confess to you, I really wish to be with you. And I would like to have an affair with you. Come.
Hi.
Now, take it easy. I can't go out the way I am now. I need it madly. Yes. No.
What?
Let's have it.
I want to do it. Yeah. You know, I've not done it before.
Yeah, you have not done it before. But I promise you, right after this, you leave the woman's house. You wouldn't continue that with any other man again. You get your freedom. What is it?
Yes, I'm scared.
You are scared of what? What is the problem? What have you done? I know you are not a troublesome person. Fine. So, what at all is the problem?
Boss.
Did you get any problem with your madam?
No.
Your auntie, I mean, the one you are living with.
No.
So, what else?
Boss, the issue is... I don't know how to say it to...
You are here for us to solve a problem, isn't it? So, if you don't tell me your problem, how can I help? You calm down and let me know your problem.
Boss, I'm pregnant.
Who? What? No. You are what?
I'm
Eh?
pregnant.
You are pregnant? You mean you are pregnant for me? Or who?
Hey, you.
Me?
Boss, it's you. You're the
Whoa.
only person I've had sex with, oh, boss.
Please keep it. Keep it.
Hey, boss. Please, boss. Like you're playing with me. Oh.
Playing with
You
her?
didn't hear what I said. I said I'm pregnant.
Yes, I know. I need it. Please keep
I
it.
hear some noise.
Keep it.
Janelle!
Madam.
You're back!
Madam,
Oh.
evening.
Where have you been? Janelle! My feel, Janelle. Babe, what's wrong with me?
Yes, we were discussing something important.
You just go kitchen, how you doing?
No. Let us sit. Sit down. Sit down. Wow.
Janelle. My feel. Come down, this is your house. Eh?
Okay, madam.
How about the climate there?
Wow.
Babe.
Yeah?
So what about the them way?
She brought me a good news. So, please excuse us, huh? Sit down. Okay.
I'll do what?
Hello?
He said,
You keep her.
What's she going to keep? What are you keeping? Babe. No, are you okay? Is everything okay?
madam.
What? No pisca. I'm lost. What is it? Hello?
Oh, she can tell you whatever it is. Whatever it is, she can tell you.
Janelle.
Janelle is pregnant.
Janelle!
Yes.
Pregnant?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Who told you just like that? Is it easy to get pregnant?
Now, you're so pretty and I'm going to be so alive, sir. Eh? Oh! Janelle! This is your papa on you.
Yeah.
And when I'm in him.
Myself.
What do you mean yourself?
My poor boy. Kim. I did not think I even didn't know whether I be Oma, Oba, or I be Bema. Now I understand.
Are you pregnant for my husband?
Yes, please, madam.
Janelle!
Don't try it.
How?
Don't try that nonsense.
When?
Sit down. Don't try it.
touch you.
Sit down.
Janelle. Babe, what are
Baby,
you know I love you. I was just pulling your legs. I wanted to see, say, if you truly love me. All this I was doing, I was not doing anything bad. We need to be and Kasabi Wakwana, my cousins, my sisters. Like, we need to be a crown now. I love you.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, babe. Please.
I understand. You know, I equally love you. But now there's nothing we can do about this. She is giving birth and nothing is going to
care about that thing.
Do you think I'm mad?
Baby, I'm ready to have a baby.
I'm coming. Listen to me. Keep quiet. Do I look like a dummy?
I'm sorry. Maybe I'm
even at the point that my mother was crying for a grandchild, you sat here and told me nonsense. You were raining series of insults on me.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was just testing your love. Please, I was just testing your love. Please don't do this to me.
Then testing my love went wrong.
Chidel, please don't do this to me. I want this thing.
What are you calling thing? You are calling my baby, my unborn baby a thing.
Baby, please.
No, you are calling my unborn baby a thing. Do you know? Yes, I now understand I'm a man. Hey, Janelle. God bless you, okay?
Baby, please.
Huh?
Hi.
It's about time you embrace Janelle and my baby boy or baby girl. When are you going for a scan for us to know the gender? Soon. Wipe your tears. You don't need this.
Is she coming to stay with us in this house?
Yeah, she's going to live in that room. That's a room. And she's not living here as a maid anymore. She's living here with equal rights just like you. If you so wish, stay. If you think you cannot, you're mad. Don't joke with her. If you try this nonsense, I'll smash you.
Sorry. I'm sorry, I'm just testing your love for me.
Oh,
please.
Let me tell you something. It's okay. Testing my love. For how many months?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Janelle, did you bring your belongings? Okay, don't worry. You are not going anywhere.
Sorry.
No. Hey, stop it. Don't call her madam anymore. I will go get your belongings. You are coming to live here with me.
Okay.